Okay, folks, gather around. Today's mystery: why does this fluffy potato-shaped creature from Australia poop? Cubes? I'm not joking, this is real. And no, it's not a glitch in the Matrix. But here's the kicker. These cubes aren't just for bragging rights, they're a survival hack. Let's dig in. Meet the wombat's secret weapon, their intestines. Unlike your boring tubes, theirs are like a Play-Doh fun factory. The walls stretch unevenly, slow here, fast there, squeezing poop into cubes. Genius? Absolutely. Weird? Oh yeah, no rolling, no mess. Just a tiny keep out sign for rivals. Take notes, GPS companies. So next time you see a cube, remember, wombats did it first, and better, and with zero apologies. Smash that button, unless you want to miss why octopuses have 3 hearts. Spoiler, they're overachievers.